at that sky. Looks good on here. Look at that.
Back on 3, 1, 2, 3, fight gas!
And day one is done. Whew. The one thing that I want to say before we end this day is that I'm really happy and my Bronco time improved back to the area. It improved roughly to where I wanted it to get to. 4 weeks ago I did a Bronco. It was 5 minutes 42 seconds. 5 minutes 42, unless it might have been a bit longer than that, but it was around there. 4 weeks later, just did our Bronco tonight and we hit 5 minutes 16 seconds, which is just 1 second slower than my personal best. My personal best, I hit that when I was at my fittest. So really good, and we're just gonna crack down and get better from here. Time to go get ready for tomorrow. There we go, here's the boys. What is this? We've got our scrummaging thing, and then it looks like we got the iPad to analyze technique. Isn't that right, Shane?
It's for later part.
Water tax. I'll take the chest strap off for now. How are you? Want to say hi to the people?
Flat, it's not doing this. Okay, so we don't want to be flared shoulders and then squeezing in at the traps.
Give me all the tips.
Maybe bring your knees up a bit more.
Up?
Yeah, like bring them forward.
And you gotta learn how to do that when you're like,
Yeah,
when you're bound. I know,
Straight in the middle. No, like look down. Yeah, right there.
Oh.
Yo, they have to be right. You gotta know, we got
Nice.
now we one person.
Arch. Arch.
So your prop now is.
Show us how it's done. As you can see,
Need a bit of work there.
the rotator cuff engaged.
Alright, the flaps on Wanna walk it out, okay, engage in that core, and then back. Yeah, just practice walking out without one. Oh, and then swap around. Let's go, lad.
Doesn't have the time. Oh,
Practice
see.
walking.
Oh, look at this.
Nice.
So you gotta witness experience. Oh, smart.
Just give me a couple of.
Okay. Tell me when.
Keep that skates on, neutral hip. Oh, nice double. That's the one.
It's alright, it was my fault. Wow. This might need to be censored. That control though, this is experience. Come on, that's the one. All the way to the cafeteria. See, look at that. Ingenuity. Inspirational. Sit. Whoo.
Chase. It's all that one snap. How many times you play it in the scarf? Get that body position, squeeze, snap.
Other one, but you hold the camera.
Boom.
please.
Oh, is it recording?
Alright, boys, bring it in.
Next time, eh?
My boots might let me down because I'm wearing boots, mate. Yo, wee.
Come my way.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep that. Nice. Keep going. There we go, right. Nice. Coming back. Come to me, Doc. Put your weight on me. Put your weight on me, Doc.
When you're coming up,
You stop.
I gotta do the pushing on that, eh? I gotta do the pushing
on the way back, you push and I hold your weight.
That's the one, Doc. Push to me, Doc, and I absorb you. You know what I mean? Put all your weight into me. There you go, Doc. There you go. Nice.
cramp. Got that cramp going again.
Mind you, we have been sweating the fuck, man. I'm sweating in there, I'm sweating in there.
But I got the feel for it.
Do you understand it? Yeah. It's a thicker warm-up drill. It's also very cute.
We're honest. We gotta give around next really easy. And keep it on. Yep. That's what we want to do to start. And we'll put it together. Good.
Hey, good intensity this week. Obviously, you can see the standard that I'm after.
Junior, senior, rugby club.
Breakers on 3. 1, 2, 3. Breakers.
On Shane, on Shane.
Partner in order, 2 sets of 4. 2 sets of 4.
Thursday, all done. Good sesh. What we didn't get on camera was the conditioning. Deadly, but we got it done. Got some cramps going on in the quads, both of them. But we did a bit of rest on the side, jump in. Yeah, we got it done. Now it's time to shower. Look at that sky. Looks good on here.